I'm Henrietta. Welcome to today's episode of Crafty Kids. For today's craft, I will be making an animal newspaper art craft. The supplies we will be using today are newspaper, construction paper, pencil, marker, scissors, glue stick, emerald glue, and cardstock. I'm going to draw out a puppy, and you can do your favorite animal. We're going to draw it out on the newspaper. Once we get the body and the face, we're going to glue it on cardstock. Then you can use assorted construction paper to decorate it, or you can use the newspaper. You can pick out the newspapers where it's designed in different colors, and you can use that as your pattern. If you completed today's craft, please post it in the comment section below. Also, please visit us at our website at ofpl.online and follow us on social media. Our handle is at Gallup Library. Thank you for watching today's episode of Crafty Kids. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.